So we are extremely fortunate now because we are describing strategy at my company at a very, very high level. So our strategy is a vision, a mission that is many years out. We don't even put a numerical number around the number of years anymore, but it's no less than 5 to 10 years out. So we focus on basically what is considered to be a North Star at this point. We're saying this is the vision of the organization. This is where we are all going many years down the road. And then within that, it's almost like a pyramid thing. Within that, we have different portfolios of products and value streams. And within those portfolios, now I know what my portfolio needs to do to get my area to that point. And my counterparts knows exactly what their portfolio needs to do to get to that point. And we break it all the way down to literally the story level, the sprint level. So when our developers are sitting in the office as we speak, writing code, we don't do a super good job of this, but we're trying to. This is part of the storytelling. The idea is that when someone is writing a piece of code right now, they know exactly what this means for this long-term vision 5 or 10 years from now. So I'm not just sitting and doing random code writing. I'm taking our organization to this special place, even though if it's literally I'm changing the color of a button or something.